Are you trying to manifest something either using law of attraction or using some rituals, using some affirmations, but still you're wondering why I'm not able to manifest, why my manifestation are not working, and you're just wondering, you're confused, you're a bit stressed out that what is blocking you and why is it taking so much long time to attract what you want. You're practicing, someone has told you to practice law of attraction, someone has told you to practice affirmation, someone has told you to or write your goals, someone has told you to watch Stranger's Secret, see your vision board, but still you're not getting success. The big problem is many people really don't know, and they're not able to find the reason why they're not able to manifest, why their manifestations are not working. In today's video, I'm going to share you 6 reasons. These are the 6 reasons hence you're not able to manifest and your manifestations are not working. So I want you to focus, okay? And please note down all these 6 reasons. I am known as an MRM and law of attraction specialist. Till date, I have trained more than 20,000 plus people to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 key areas of life: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. But let me share you a story. I have never believed in this concept till 2018 of law of attraction, this morning rituals. I never followed this. But the moment I started changing my life, the moment I decided I want to transform my life, the first thing I started learning is about morning rituals. The first thing I started learning about my subconscious mind. Why is it very important to activate your subconscious mind? How the subconscious mind works. I started learning science behind it, and then I started practicing it. And let me tell you guys, morning ritual works, law of attraction works, everything works. Provide you take that actions, you take that small baby steps, and you follow the steps in a correct way. And the most important thing is be consistent and be persistent. Most of the people, they are really looking for results, but results will come once you are consistent, once you take actions every day, and once you have patience. Don't ask how and when. You just keep putting that effort. Because see, when I started my journey, I never asked when I will be able to achieve. I was just practicing the rituals and I saw some amazing results. See, the first reason your manifestations are not working, you're not able to manifest because of your thoughts. Now, the most important thing is what you are thinking subconsciously. Consciously, you are aware about your goals and dreams, but sometimes your thoughts are negative. Because please understand, your entirely thoughts depends on your feelings and actions. If your feelings are not good and if you're not taking actions in a right direction, the problem is with your thoughts. Your thoughts are not aligned, because your thoughts leads to feelings, your feelings leads to action, and your action leads to results. Everything depends on thoughts. If you're just practicing affirmations and if your thoughts are negative, and if your feelings are not good, and if you're not taking small baby steps, that means it will not work. Just by dreaming, just by doing affirmations, you will not get the results. You need to take actions. Your thoughts should be positive. You should be very mindful about your thoughts. That's the first reason. Second reason, you are not doing your affirmations in a right way. If you are not adding energy, feelings, emotions in your affirmations, it will not work. I would show you how I do my affirmations. Early morning, as soon as you wake up, the first thing is you should come into peak performance state, and then once you come into peak performance state, then you should start doing affirmations. If you do your affirmations with low energy, with no feeling, with no vibration, then how you'll be able to reprogram your subconscious mind? So I will read my affirmation the way I do, so at least you will get some motivation, you will get some inspiration, and you will do your affirmations in a proper way. And there are certain rules of affirmation. If you don't follow the rules, it will not work. So now I'm not going to share you the rules of affirmation. In the next video, whenever I will make a video on laws of affirmation or rules for affirmation, I will share the rules. But this is the way I do my affirmations every morning. As soon as I wake up, first thing I change my state, and then I start reading these affirmations with emotions, with feelings, with energy, and with certainty. So I'll repeat my affirmations. In my health, thank you God, thank you universe, I have my perfect body ideal weight of 65 kgs and I'm feeling amazing, energetic, fit and active. I love exercising, I love swimming, I love cycling, I love eating healthy food in every day. In my relationship, Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I have lots of love in my life. I have an amazing relationship with my wonderful wife, with my mom, with my dad. I have a lot of time, love, and respect for all my family members, and I spend a lot of quality time with them. In my career, thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I'm able to add lots of values in people's life with Morning Ritual Miracle and Law of Attraction. I'm happy, satisfied, and fulfilled in my life, in my career, because I'm the best at what I do. I give 10x times value to people from the money which I receive and the coaching that I give. In my financial life, thank you, God, thank you, universe. By 31st December 2022, I'm making 10 lakhs every month consistently on total autopilot mode, doing things which I love to do, helping millions of people to live a happy, prosperous, and spiritual lifestyle, and helping them to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 key areas of life: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. And already I've achieved my mission of taking Morning Ritual Miracle to each and every home. And I read this affirmation at least for 5 to 10 times with same energy, with emotions, with feelings. Then I close my eyes and I visualize it. And I do it consistently. I do it every day, me and my community. Every morning we wake up at 5 o'clock, we come into peak performance state, and we practice together. Because the more the energy you put in affirmations, the more you will start reprogramming your subconscious mind. So now think, are you doing it in this way? Are you writing it? Have you written your goal in a very proper way? If there is no systematic way, and if you're not practicing with emotions, feelings, and energy, it will not work. You will not be able to manifest. Number 3, your environment, your home, your tribe. See, if your office desk is not good, if your home is untidy, if you never broom, like your home or your office, if you don't have that good atmosphere, good environment, how will you be able to manifest? Everything depends on your surrounding. And if you're not associated with like-minded people, because where your focus goes, your energy flows. You should have a like-minded people. You should have a like-minded tribe. You should have someone who supports you, inspires you. You should be having some accountable partner who helps you to practice these rituals every morning, every day. That's step number 3. There's a third reason. It's a fourth. Now, sometimes we talk negative about ourselves. So can you catch yourself when you start talking negatively about yourself? See, because what I've seen, when opportunities come, people say, like, they have some inner voice. They say, nahi yaar, tere se nahi ho payega. Like, you will not be able to do. I'm not good enough. I'm not worthy. You have your own inner thoughts. You talk negative about yourself. And just you don't talk to yourself, but externally, sometimes you speak negative. Sometimes you are jealous of other people. Sometimes you gossip about other people. And if you catch yourself speaking negative about other people, just pinch yourself. Because if you talk negative about other people and if you talk negative to yourself, then how the manifestation work? The manifestation will not work. That's the number 4th reason. Number 5th, how do you feel? How are you feeling? Are you really feeling good about yourself, or are you feel stressed? You're feeling anxious, you're having some anxiety issue, you're having some fear, you are jealous, because feelings equal to frequency. If your feelings are not good, if your feelings are not happy feeling, if you're not bit relaxed, then the manifestation will not work. Everything depends on your feeling. And number 6, if your actions are not aligned with your manifestation, with your goals, and with your dreams. Some people just do affirmations, some people just practice rituals, but they don't take small baby step. They do some rituals, but they procrastinate. If you procrastinate, if you're lazy, and if you don't take small baby step, if you don't take massive action towards your goal, towards your manifestation, you will not be able to achieve. Please understand, every time I say this, in the law of attraction, if you break that attraction word, attract plus action equal to attraction. You just can't dream. You just can't keep repeating your affirmations, keep writing. And people just write goals, but they don't take actions. Then how it will work? It will not work. You need to take small baby steps. See, whatever I have achieved in my life, the reason I was able to change my life, because I have taken massive actions. I practice my rituals every morning, and plus I try to see that I don't waste my time. I don't waste my time on social media. I don't waste time on Netflix. If you're wasting time on Netflix, if you're watching series after series after series, and if you're not reading books, if you're not investing in personal development, if you're not taking massive actions, then how will you be able to manifest? So just think about it. If the reason you're not manifesting is all because of the 6 reasons. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked the video, do subscribe to my channel, because I'm on a mission to transform billions of lives and help them to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 areas of life. See you in my next video. Are you someone who's not getting what you want in your life? You have some dreams, you want to do something. Depends on how you vibrate, whether you are vibrating with low frequency or with high frequency.